Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video you will learn how to create a folder inside your Dropbox account, for example, to organize your storage better or to store your most favorite items in these folders. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. It is very simple, guys. So what you want to do is head over to dropbox.com, log into your account and enter or access the home section of your Dropbox account, and here in the top left select all files to get a better overview of all stored files, folders and items inside your Dropbox library. So to create a new folder, guys, scroll up and select create folder here. After that, give your folder a name. So let me give it a name like that here, for example, test folder 2. Confirm the creation by clicking on create here. That is going to create your folder. So now you may, for example, start uploading files to that folder or moving files to it. What you want to do instead, guys, is what I would recommend to do is head back to all files here and simply move the newly created folder. You will see it in the overview here under all files to that section here on the left hand side to get direct access to it. So select it, move it, and release your left mouse here under that section or in that section to place it here. So as you can see now, your folder is has been located on that direct access area here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply enter your folder here and start uploading files. Or what you want to do, guys, is simply go through your library and start moving files and items to your folder. So let me go with that photo for demonstration purposes. Right click on it, select move, and select your newly created folder. Confirm by clicking on move here, and that is going to move the file to your folder. So to test that, simply select your folder here on the left hand side, and there you go. As you can see, the file has been successfully moved to your folder, and that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.